Hi, in my last video I was talking about truth telling and how superficial are we allowing ourselves to be. And this video, I'm excited to announce that we're going to be rerunning, I can't even talk today, rerunning the 31-day winter course. And the point of doing that, and I myself am doing it as well, is to remind ourselves of what we can do for ourselves in a season that is usually sort of our energy is dragging its feet, as it were. A lot of people that I'm talking to are tired, um, slightly spinning, wondering how they're going to get through this winter. So the 31 days are just a way that you and I can have a little mini workshop, and every single day just spend 10-15 minutes committed to ourselves and committed to our own self-development, our own self-nurturing, our own self-care. What does it look like? And I'm qualified twofoldly, that's not good English, to share this work with you. Number one, I'm a clinical practitioner of integrated Chinese medicine, which is basically putting Mother Nature into ourselves. So in other words, we're deeply connected to Mother Nature. So I'm trained in something called 5-element Chinese medicine, which is finding out really how the season's moving within ourselves and how are they doing and how can we balance ourselves. And then I'm also qualified to share this work with you because I am somebody that's living with some very acute, chronic, and very rare diseases. I was born with them. My mother had them, my grandmother had them. They think even that maybe my father had them. And I am joking in this next remark. I have a life where it would appear as if I was a medical diva because I have surgeries like you probably have holidays, or at least I hope you do. Those of you who do manage to have holidays. Or cups of tea. It doesn't really matter, but in other words, I have to have a lot of interventions the entire time. And I therefore have the audacity to share with you what works and what doesn't to really thrive. I'm just about to go into more surgery. I have recovered from last surgery that I had last March, I think. And just in time, I've recovered just in time to be going into the next one. And even during all of that time, I will still be actually working and practicing all the things that make a difference to me. So check it out, and there's also a newsletter coming out and telling you what we're up to and how we're intending to go forward as a team that really celebrates life and how precious it is, no matter how challenging. Take care. Bye.